This hair is from Kisslove. This is a 22-inch Burmese curly. Look at those curls. They look so amazing, right? This is a 6 by 4.5-inch lace, pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all of that. It has the silicone around the bottom as well as the comb and the drawstring at the bottom. This wig is gorgeous. These are just some of the goodies that come in the bag with the hair. But if you want to see me install the wig, keep watching. So first things first, I already have my wig cap installed, but I am going to take some cream makeup just to color it so it can be like the same color as my skin, so it can blend a little bit underneath the wig. If you don't want to wear a wig cap, you absolutely don't have to, per usual. And then I'm just taking a little bit of that makeup and running it along the lace so that it can blend with my skin. Now, one of my favorite thing about these wigs is actually the installation because it's so simple. Literally, the only thing I have to do is adjust the strap and pull the wig back and just adjust it and make sure it fits comfortably on my head, and that's it for the installation process. Like, it's so simple to just throw the wig on your head. But even after putting it on, it looks so cute and the curls are so nice. I can't wait to get ready to style it. But next, I'm just gonna make it like fit well to my head. So there is this drawstring in the back that you want to tug and pull till it fits tight and comfortably around the back of your head. And then there's a little adjustable lever that you're gonna push up so that the drawstring doesn't move anywhere. And then you can just tuck it away underneath the wig to hide it. And the next thing that you want to do is just style the hair. Me particularly, my edges come down a little bit further past the lace, so I like to create baby hairs in the wig just to cover my natural hair. Now, it's not that it's like a big deal or anything. I just personally also prefer the look of the baby hair, especially with curly hair. I think it just adds a little something extra. So I'm just going to take my scissors and cut the hair short on each side, and then I'm just going to swoop them into place and style my baby hairs as normal. Now, the point of Burmese curly hair is to leave the little ends spirally. So I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb and fluff out the rest of the wig, but I'm not going to drag it through the ends because that's what makes a Burmese curly wig Burmese, are those spirally ends. Now, granted, if you did comb through it, you could like get some water, some mousse, and finger coil it again so that the coils will come back. But I just, of course, didn't feel like doing all that, and just wanted to show you how it looks fresh out the box without having to do much styling. So I'm just going to take the comb, like I said, and just fluff out the hair so I can get it big and fluffy like this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take off my wig band, and this is what it's looking like. I love a big fluffy look. I'm taking my comb and I'm kind of fluffing out the front as well to make it sit up. I would normally do this like with a hot comb, but I realized I don't have to use a hot comb for this because they pluck the hairline so well. So I just used my comb and it like stayed in place. You can also use some hairspray as well. But this is what it's looking like. I did cut that little piece a little bit later, actually, just FYI. But this is what it's looking like when it's like big and thick and full and fluffy without combing through the ends again. And it's so pretty. I love how full it is, and the hair is extremely soft. This hair is so gorgeous. Another thing that I love about this wig is the versatility. You don't just have to wear it down. So I'm just going to show you a couple of hairstyles that I like to do with this wig. So the first, of course, being my go-to, which is Old Faithful half up, half down. I love a good half up, half down, especially with curly hair because the hair is already so thick and full. Breaking the hair up in the front and putting it into a ponytail can help get some of the hair out of your face if it's a little bit too much for you, and give you some like versatility and just a different style to wear. And this is so cute. Next, I'm going to be pulling the hair just straight up into a high ponytail. I wanted to show you the versatility of the wig, especially in regards to the construction of the back. So earlier you saw when I installed the wig, there's a comb back there and also a drawstring. So because it has this drawstring, it kind of like tucks the hair underneath so that you can pull it into a high ponytail and it still looks cute. And then just for my own self, I wanted to add some like wispy hairs around the ponytail just to kind of make the sides look a little more natural there since it is so thick. So I'm just pulling some like behind my ear and some in front just so it can look like how it would really naturally wear a ponytail. And then so this is what it looks like, just something quick. If you want to do a bun, you can do that as well, but I just wanted to leave it into a ponytail so you can see the coily ends and then you can get a shot of what the back of the wig looks like. Lastly, I just wanted to do something a little fun that I definitely haven't done in a while, but if you've been on my channel for a while, or if you've been watching me, you know I used to love to do space buns. I think that was like a thing in like 2021, 22, something like that. Space buns were everywhere, but it's basically just two tiny little like bantu knots, or in this case not so tiny, but like two bantu knots on each side at the top, and then just leave the rest out. So essentially it's like a half up, half down with just two pigtails at the top. And I think this style is so cute and fun and different. Like, who says you have to wear your hair in the same old boring hairstyles? And I think this looks cute for me, especially because again it's pulling the hair back out of my face, but it's still having like a little bit of style. So just something a little bit different and fun. But anyways, I really love this wig. I showed you all the versatility. The wig is super comfortable to wear. The hair is extremely soft and really nice. I definitely recommend checking it out. Like I said, it's from Kisslove Hair. All the information is in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.